the first segment, homework 5, which is about logic. We'll look at some logical statements, the symbols for them, how can we connect them, what equivalent statements are, and how to use them in arguments. For this one, we're just going to start with the negation of a statement, which is the same thing as saying the opposite of a statement. We're going to start by looking at all or nothing kind of statements. The opposite of all or none is going to be some. For the opposite of all, it's going to be some are not. And for the opposite of the none, some are. So if you have an all statement, the opposite is some are not, whatever you're saying. If you have a none statement, the opposite is some are. And you can go the other way. If you have a statement, some are not something, the opposite is all of them are. If you have a statement, some are something, the opposite is none of them are. So we look at an example. All students study hard. So the opposite of this all statement will be some are not. So the opposite, or the negation, is some students do not study hard. Okay, let's look at this one. No one loves me. So this is a none statement. So the opposite is some do or some are. So the opposite is someone loves me. Okay. And we can go in the other direction. Some dogs bite. So the negation, or the opposite, is no dogs bite. Or you could say all dogs do not bite. All dogs do not bite. Okay. And one more. Some movie stars cannot act. So the negation, or the opposite, would be all movie stars can act. So we'll look at using symbols to represent these statements in the next one, which will be a lot longer.